Good morning guys, what's poppin'? My name is Danny, also known as Street by Danny. And for today's video, we'll be kinda busy kasi today, ang daming sneaker releases na mangyayari. To be specific, ngayon kasi i-release yung Union Fragment Jordan 1. So it's gonna be so exciting. I made a similar video like this before, pero I think yun kasi it was more on yung online process. Pero yung today guys, different siya kasi pupunta tayo mismo sa mga stores. Pero actually meron isang online, pero yung dalawa more on pupunta talaga tayo sa store and then sasali talaga tayo sa raffle. So yeah, excited na ako and hopefully mamaya wala magkagulo kasi medyo hype itong pair na ilalabas and ayun, hopefully safe lahat later. So yun lang muna guys, babangon na ako and I'll see you guys in a while. Bye! So guys, to explain all the raffles that will happen later, isa-isahin ko siya para sa inyo. So the first raffle na mangyayari today is the sneakers na raffle. So ang sneakers guys, ano siya, site lang din siya ng Nike kung saan sila nagda-drop ng mga more special pairs than yung mga general releases. So, ang sneakers, guys, meron siyang app. Pero dito sa Philippines, hindi siya available, yung app. So, to get to sneakers, guys, punta lang kayo sa Nike Philippines na page. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Kung hindi nyo alam yung Nike Philippines website, search nyo na lang sa Google. Tapos, yan, dadating din kayo dito sa site. Ayan, dito sa taas, ayan, may nakalagay na sneakers. I-click mo lang yun, and you'll be directed na sa sneakers na page. Tapos, punta lang kayo dito sa upcoming. And then, ayan na guys, ito na mga releases na aabangan mo para makakap ka ng sapatos. So, ito na guys, makita nyo dito, nakalagay yung mga dates. So, ito, February 27, yung Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment. So, ganun lang siya guys. And then, may nakalagay dito na coming soon kasi usually may time yan, which is mamaya pa at 12 o'clock p.m. And hopefully, manalo na ako dito para hindi na ako mag-line up mamaya sa mga stores. Mas easier, diba? Mas less hassle siya. So, moving on to the second raffle. Ang second raffle natin today is sa Atmos Philippines. And yes, guys, it's the same sneaker. Yung Union Fragment Jordan 1 pa rin siya. So, bali ang mangyayari, magla-line up tayo sa Atmos and then each person na papasok sa Atmos, meron siguro silang parang card where you'll get. Tapos, yun, automatic makita mo na kung win ka or lose. Ganun siya, guys. So, yeah, that's the second raffle that will be happening today. And then yung third raffle, guys, is sa Titan. Ang sa kanila kasi guys, live raffle siya. Naka-experience na ako noon before sa Titan where, ayun nga, parang event siya and then they'll be giving you parang stubs. Tapos may number na siya. Tapos ihuhulog mo siya sa mga drop boxes doon kung anong size na gusto mo makuha. Kasi it's so good. Palagi siya nananalo sa mga ganyan. Actually guys, ito yung excitement ng video na to kasi hindi natin alam kung makakuha ko or hindi talaga. That's the 3 raffles that's happening today. Hopefully guys, ima-manifest ko talaga na hopefully isa man lang sa raffle makakuha ako nung Union Fragment 1. So yeah, I think that's it. It's already 9:45 a.m. and I'll get ready na rin. So yun lang guys. Bye! Okay guys, so it's 11:59 a.m. na. And 1 minute na lang, mag-open na yung raffle nitong Nike sneakers. Ayan na guys, open na. Alright, let's go. Join draw. Let's go guys, let's go. And check out. Shoot, nag-error siya guys. I don't know what's happening. Sorry guys, kinakabahan ako. Nakalagay dito guys, just a minute, we are processing your entry. I don't know what's happening. Hindi gumagalaw yung screen guys. Medyo nag-glitch yata ang site guys. Ang dami yatang sumali. Shoot, nakaka-tense. So, pag ganito guys, usually pag naka-enter na kayo, it takes a few minutes till mag-message agad si Sneakers. So, malalaman rin natin kaagad kung panalo tayo or hindi. So, waiting lang ako sa email guys. Tsaka i-email ka rin nila kung hindi mo nakuha eh. Ano nangyayari? Oh no! Talo tayo guys! May 2 raffle pa tayo today. Okay, so we have 2 more raffles. Magre-ready na ako and punta na tayo ng Atmos. See ya! Nandito na tayo sa Atmos at lilinya na tayo. We'll see if manalo tayo or hindi. Ayan guys, so ito yun na yung line. Congrats! Wala, bro. Wala. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pahinga mo na ako. Okay, guys. So, wala. Nakita nyo naman, talo tayo. Ganun talaga siguro. It's not meant for me. It's not meant for me. Kausap ko pa si Lauren the whole time. Hindi nag-work yung swerte niya.
Wala sa ganon.
Hindi nag-work yung swerte niya. It's so good sa akin. Part of the game, guys. Sabihin ng mga viewers ko, umiiyak ka dahil sa sapatos. Grabe, no? Kasama itong iyak sa sneaker game. Meron pa tayong isa pang raffle, guys. Yung Titan. Congrats sa mga nanalo. So, yun lang, guys. See you later. Ayan guys, nandito na mga friends natin. Ayan si Josh. Ayan, pakita natin, patingin ng shoes, unbox natin. So ito na guys, i-unbox na natin yung sapatos ng kaibigan natin. Siyang first nanalo sa raffle kanina. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung tissue guys. May nakalagay, Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment. Ayan na guys. Hindi mo pa in-open? Ayan guys, so naka-separately packed siya. Ito na siya guys. Suede pala yung dito oh. Ang ganda guys.
Ganda, di ba?
Sobra. Gusto ko yung ganitong details niya. Ayun. Yan na ang details. Ang story nito, parang kinolab nila yung Fragment once, tsaka yung Union once. Kaya naging triple collab siya kasi Union, Fragment, and Jordan. Sobrang hype ng sneaker na to guys. And actually, dalawang colorways siya. Meron rin yung blue. Pero yun, hindi na siya ni-release internationally. More on sa Union site na siya or sa States lang. Ayan guys. So, congrats Lev sa sneaker thumbnail.
Ganda ng leather niya.
Yeah, actually, ang ganda nga nung leather.
Gulat ako.
So, this is the pair na everyone's lining up for. The Union Fragment ones. Ganda. Pero mamaya, sasali ka pa rin. Okay. 7.5. Ayun na guys, done na tayo sa unboxing. Catch up lang muna kami guys and I'll update you later. And now guys, we are now here at the Titan Triple Threat event. And ang daming tao guys, pero nasa loob na tayo. Tapos, doon makikita na yung live raffle. Pakita ko sa inyo. So guys, ito ang live raffle guys. So ihulog lang siya dito. Yung mga sasali sa raffle. Mamaya guys, ipipili nila kung sino yung mananalo ng pair. Excited ka na sis?
Parang mamimili ko yun.
Ayan na yung pairs guys. Sa likod. Oh my gosh sis! Let's go! Guys, sasali si Ella para sa akin. Thank you so much, Ella. Ganyan ang mga shoesters, guys. Supportive. Sarap naman. Here po. Okay guys, so kumain na muna kami ni Ella kasi gutom na rin kami. Tapos mamaya guys, kukuha kami ng drinks. Okay guys, so meron pala silang ganito. Ang tawag nila dito is the Zap Zone. So itong Zap Zone guys, pwede nyo i-trade yung ticket stub mo for a Titan coin to access this machine guys. Tapos mag-o-open to at 7:30 PM. Tapos if manalo ka, nakalagay doon sa papel mo na you win, you can claim any size still available at the moment. Limited sizes lang available. Tapos once your win is confirmed, pwede mo na i-secure yung pair mo at around 9 PM. So, ang chance mo dito guys is parang sa Titan, 50-50. Pero meron rin sila nung parang hulog lang, which is yun ang ginawa kanina ni Ella. So, ganun pala siya guys. Dito naman guys, parang magla-line kayo. Tapos, paunahan kayo sa pagkuha ng size. Tama no ate?
Hindi po dito. Talagang bumunot lang siya. Pero meron na yung kung ano yung size po nila. So halimbawa yung size na sinulat nila dyan is size 10. Tapos nabunot sila pero wala na available na size. Wala na sila. Nabunot pa sila.
Okay. So, kunwari nabunot mo ako, tapos may 7.5 pa. Okay na. Pero kung wala, wala na. Ilan bubunutin?
Ay, kung ilan yung kung ilan yung quantity na product.
Okay. Get. Okay, sige. Thank you.
And also, I just want everybody to pay attention to the little details that they put into the space here tonight. Pay very, very close attention to the details throughout the store, and maybe bring out your phones, take a couple of pictures, scan a couple of QR codes. You never know what's on the other end of that QR code. So go ahead, enjoy the night, have fun, respect everybody here tonight, and please have a good night, everybody. Thank you.
Let's go.
Straighten your seat if you are very, very lucky. Lucky ticket here.
Thank you, ate.
And we'll run up until there are still those crystal balls inside. Shot.
Gusto niyo makakita ng panalo?
Flagship highway, you have our light. Number of winners for each one, but I'm going to be picking out 23 raffle numbers from this one box. Number 4 on the line raffle, 337. Second winner is
Guys, share ko lang ha. Siya ang first win kanina sa Atmo. Siya ulit ang first win dito sa Thailand.
winner number 9.
Grabe. So malaki ang feeling ko guys kasi siya naghulog nung aking
Winner number 8.
top. Guys, ito na.
Picking it out.
Kinakabahan ako
And next up, we're moving on to a size 7.5. For this one, how many do you guys think we're gonna pull?
10.
2? Very close. We're picking out 1. Picking out one more
Ikaw na yan, Danny.
for a size 7.5.
Go, Danny.
All right. Size 7.5. We're only picking out 1, and the winner is 0080.
Hi sis. Bro, I'm so tired, man.
Alam ko, sabi ko nga dito eh.
Talo, Carlo. Okay guys, so nasa ABC Mart Grand Stage na kami. Mag-hi ka bro.
It's so good.
Yun. Tsaka si Dos. So, kunento ko lang sa kanila yung aking journey today, guys. And ayun, ganun lang talaga siguro ang buhay. That's life. There are things that's meant for you and there are things na hindi talaga meant for you, diba?
Oo naman, syempre. Tsaka mabilis lang yung palit eh.
Yeah, exactly.
Sigurado may mas maganda pang lalabas.
Yeah, yun nga. Yun na lang iniisip ko, guys.
Hindi naman Pokemon to na gotta catch them all eh.
Yeah, yun nga. Yun nga, guys. So, may parating pa na bagong sapatos naman. So, yun lang. Mag-enjoy na muna ako dito, guys, with the sneaker family. And
yours, there will be better.
yes, ayun na lang iniisip ko. Always think about the bright side, guys. I guess, guys, ito na ang aking outro. And I hope you guys can subscribe to my channel, guys, Street by Danny. And also follow me on my socials at Street by Danny on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in this journey. And if you have any questions about yung mga raffles, comment nyo lang below. Yun lang, guys. Danny out!